Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making Filipino pan-fried pork chops. This dish not only is it delicious, but it's also easy and simple because most of the ingredients we use are ingredients that we already have in the pantry. So please join me as I walk you through this recipe. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell button so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you for the love and support.
Let's begin. The first thing we're gonna do is make small cuts on the edges of the pork chops. They tend to curl up when you fry them, so this process will allow the pork chops to stay flat on the frying pan. I suggest cutting slits an inch apart from each other. On the next few screens, you will see the marinade ingredients and their exact measurements. Now we're gonna stir all the ingredients to ensure that everything is well combined. Next, we're gonna coat the pork chops with the marinade. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. And now we're gonna cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it marinate for at least 3 hours. In my case, I leave it in the fridge overnight. The longer it marinates, the more flavorful and more tender it becomes. Now that the meats have been fully marinated, we're ready to fry the pork chops. We're gonna heat up some oil in a frying pan. As we're frying the meat, we're gonna baste both sides with the same marinade we used earlier. And we're gonna flip the meat at least twice to ensure everything is fully cooked. Introducing juicy and delicious Filipino pan-fried pork chops. Enjoy!
Mmm. Mmm.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!